In this video, I'll go over how you can use a Synology NAS to securely erase a hard drive using Storage Manager. This is a procedure I recommend if you plan to give or sell your drive, or even if you plan to take it for e-waste for disposal. This does require an unused drive bay in your Synology NAS. If you don't have one, I recommend checking out the StarTech single bay hard drive eraser, which I'll link to in the description of this video. I personally own one of these, and it's great because it works as a standalone device, so you don't need anything other than the unit itself to erase drives. It offers multiple erase modes from quick erase to options that meet the Department of Defense and National Institute of Standards and Technology media sanitizing standards. When you're not erasing drives, you can even use it as an external USB drive bay by switching it to PC Link HDD mode. If your Synology NAS does have an available drive bay you can use to securely erase a drive, you want to install the hard drive in the empty bay. Then, from within DSM, launch Storage Manager from the main menu. Next, select HDD SSD. From here, choose the drive you want to securely erase, then select Action and Secure Erase. Check the box acknowledging that you understand that all data will be permanently deleted and click OK. Enter the password for the administrator account you're logged in with, then click Submit. This will start the secure erasing process on the drive, and you'll see the job's progress within Storage Manager. If, for some reason, you run into a problem with secure erase, check out this Synology Knowledge Center article, which I'll link to in the description as well. It covers how to properly run secure erase and what to look for if the option isn't available in your setup. To dig in a little deeper on what secure erase does, I connected to the NAS through SSH and found that after the secure erase command is run in Storage Manager, an Hdparm process appears in the system. Hdparm is a utility that can view and set parameters on hard drives, and in this case perform secure erase options using the security erase option. This command instructs the drive's firmware to essentially factory reset the drive. I've also read that Hdparm's security erase option is considered one of the safest ways to destroy data on a drive without physically damaging it, so you can be confident that none of your data remains. I also found this very informative article from LSU that really goes into detail about using the Hdparm utility, which I'll link below as well. The article ends with a recommended command to verify that the secure erase process worked, and I'll run the command on my Synology NAS to confirm that the drive was successfully erased. Once the secure erase is complete, I'll connect to the NAS through SSH again. I'll then run this fdisk command, which doesn't execute successfully, but still lists the devices that the NAS recognizes, specifically the SATA devices, which are the installed hard drives. Next, I'll run the dd command from the article on the drive that is currently being used by the NAS. I'll prepend sudo to the command and use the device path of the drive in slot 1, which is /dev/SATA1. It returns some gibberish, which indicates that there's data on that drive. If I run the same command on /dev/SATA2, which is the drive I ran secure erase on, we'll see no other output other than the informational text from the command itself, confirming that secure erase successfully wiped the drive. Hopefully Synology's Storage Manager Secure Erase or StarTech's Single Bay Hard Drive Eraser gives you some useful options if you need to securely erase your hard drives. If this video helped with that, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Lastly, if you'd like to support my work or hire me for a project, you can contact me by clicking on the link on screen or in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.